And that election will bring change. Yes. Chukwudi. Look. One thing one will accept from you. Now, make callers they call. Make it open this your ugly teeth. They say they take and ridicule me. I don't want that from you.
Nkubi, bring your voice down.
And why would I bring my voice down?
10 days to election.
So?
It's never too late.
To do waiting.
You see, I think
to do waiting now, to do waiting.
I think people don't declare
I don't
support.
get rescuer. Iyaduni, thank you for calling.
Good morning.
Good morning, Iyaduni.
Mr. Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Iyaduni.
Nkubi, good morning.
Good morning.
I don't let anybody torment you.
Yes, thank you.
They do their own.
I don't agree.
Now, what do you mean I see for today's topic? We say, as I say, article are the least tomorrow I know for APC. They among APC. Because if they say they're among APC, that meeting where they do together with Oga Good Luck, I mean, therefore, yesterday, he's supposed to come out because I wish they talk with that. Till now, he never even talk anything on top. So those who they go the camp go meet with them. How many of them? How many of them?
There are plenty,
so, 120.
There are plenty.
You say 120. You say 120. Hold on.
120.
120. You say 120. You get your own facts.
Imagine Atiku no be one person with this table. So I know just even before now, I know say Atiku no all the plan be say okay if he, and I think you not talk for the meeting, not talk anything with the discuss.
Oh, thank you.
Just like maybe she
next day say mind all they do go there.
Some of his supporters, maybe some of his supporters.
Thank you very much, Iyaduni.
If PDP win, then can declare to go PDP. Then for the collect from some.
Thank you, Iyaduni. Thank you very much. In fact, you don't talk about me.
You no go work.
You no go work.
Oga Iyaduni.
You no go work.
Nkubi. Thank you very much. We thank you very much, Oga Iyaduni. I beg they watch, they call us, make you they chook my for this matter. Out of the 48 calls,
you're a criminal.
Wait,
You're a massive. This is how you people rig election. You're a big criminal.
He never entered.
How many people don't call here now? They never reach 10.
We get
40 something.
No. Wait.
40 something callers from where?
Now. We get 3 phone lines. We get 1 toll-free line. If you check on based on, I say out of the 48 calls, when don't enter into the 4 lines. But now only this number that we don't pick. Everybody here don't talk. Say this Alhaji Atiku Abubakar say he don't see the truth. Now he make can come out. Okay. Make we take Sadiq. Sadiq they call us from Zaria. I know say he said go chukma for this matter.
Sadiq, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes.
How's today?
Fine, Oga Sadiq.
Oga Sadiq, it be like say your voice calm down. It be like say this
no, Oga Sadiq.
It be like say this news affect you.
Hype up the voice. Hype him up.
I want to mark for today's talk.
Yes.
Atiku movement or he's planning or anything, you know to shift it.
Thank you.
You know to shift APC. Make I tell you.
Thank you very much.
People of Nigeria are with us.
Yes.
Nkubi, I raise your hand, I beg. Raise your hand up. Tell them say they no feed.
They no feed.
They no feed.
They no feed.
Make I tell you.
Change has come to stay.
Then they give you hope. Oga Sadiq, continue.
I beg. Good day, please.
Thank you very much, Oga Sadiq. Thank you very, very much for that. At least for giving us the reason to believe, say yes, change. That is massively strong where in day.
Nkubi, or even people don't say a drowning man. That is man when we say water don't they carry and go. He go even want cash breeze. Now wait till they try do now. Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, when contest to be presidential flag bearer of APC for this December when pass so. Two of his strong people. Don't come and don't talk say they want support her.
We get another caller.
No. We go rush, go break.
No, go break.
When we go this break, come back, we'll continue this discussion. I beg Nigerians, make una just use this opportunity. Help me appeal to Nkubi.
Appeal to him.
Because he don't
make them talk today.
When we go, come back, we'll continue.
Nkubi,
you know the truth. still on top as the hot today. And today it can't be like say, you know, the talk just the flow. Sake of say the news when I carry come this morning, the thing shake Nkubi. And they try hold ground, say the thing no affect them. What be the gist? They talk say Friday 13th March. Oga Presido say somehow for night he follow backyard enter the house of Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, and from that night they can't do meeting enter early momo. Today na 18th of March. We never still hear anything wey happen, but one thing when we dey show off now say two strong pillars of people wey dey support Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, that is the Atiku Abubakar Associates AAA and the People's Democratic Movement PDM wey don dey with am since. They don't come out come talk say for this southwest area they don't check the way things dey, and they believe say na Oga Jonah na him fit move this country forward. Some people come dey reason am say why the people when they support you, when know you inside out, don't come out. Say it be like saying na one leg, na the man won't use carry enter, and he go use the second leg enter. I don't go talk too much. All the people when call don't talk am. They can give Nkubi another opportunity to see whether he go fit confess, he go soon join us very soon.
Must you always throw the issue back to me? Why would they say make you give me time to talk or chance to talk?
No, now you the talk concern.
It concern you and I.
No, it concern you.
No, it concern you and I.
Are they for transformation?
Because see,
no, you're very good guy.
I still want to stand on this. Say, look, make us still feel say everything now false.
No feel, not be false.
Let us see him come out to declare. Say, okay, now like this. So say he never declare in intention to this thing. That and for that reason, we no go fit a certain say yes. Say he don't officially join the ruling party. So Chukwudi on that ground, make us still see him as with an alleged statement or an alleged visit.
But Nkubi.
Chukwudi, don't Nkubi
No,
me.
Nkubi.
Don't Nkubi me.
People when they support him for Southwest.
Okay, we'll get Joseph. Joseph, they call us from Kwara. Good morning, Joseph.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Yeah, good morning, Mr. Joseph.
Good morning, Oga Joseph.
How are you now?
Would they fine?
I bet chook mouth for this matter.
I like the topic this morning. Well.
Okay.
The issue of Atiku has been leader of the country before, VP for that matter. Atiku is a dreamer. You have seen the future. You know that definitely correct. Now look at the people that are
Oga Joseph, he be like say the network somehow they shake. But he be like say from waiting you they talk, you they try talk say Alhaji Atiku Abubakar say he don't see the light, and that light when he see now he make him in supporters they support the transformation we don't see for this Obodo Nigeria. Thank you very much. I don't say now what you want to talk with that, and I agree with you. Nkubi, continue the talk.
No, we will continue. We'll quickly go for break. You will say our Abi.
Yes, but we will take Jumai from Mina.
Yeah, Jumai, they call us from Mina. Good morning, Jumai.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning, Madam Jumai.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Good morning, Madam Jumai. I beg congratulate me and appeal to Nkubi.
No. Let Madam Jumai talk.
Nkubi.
Yeah, they hear you.
Raise your hand up. We need change.
Change. Thank you for that word.
Change. We need change.
Change.
We need change.
We need them strongly.
Raise your hand up. Let me see you.
I said we need change. See and here. My hand still there strong. They up. Change.
That I've been saying that people is not an human being. From one party to another party. We need change.
Madam, you never come out first. You never come out to now people when they support her for the Southwest. Atiku Abubakar Associates and People's Democratic Movement.
Atiku is nothing. Just 10 days to the election, Atiku will come here and say this.
Madam Juma, in fact, that word change where it takes start. Now, in fact, it don't make my belly sweet now. Thank you very much for calling. In fact, Chukwudi, here I'm change.
Nkubi.
Change is the ultimate word.
Make we take Solomon from Port Harcourt, then we go call rush, go break before we bring our Ogbonge visitor.
Solomon, good morning.
My brothers, good morning.
Good morning.
We dey fine, Oga Solomon.
How you not there?
We dey fine.
Wait, which change you not there talk about?
The same change of governance, change in
political parties,
change in virtually everything we need to go well for this country.
From where to where? Change from waiting to waiting. Make I know.
Tell her, answer the question.
It's waiting.
Answer the question.
From where to where?
If they tell you say change from waiting to
Where
waiting.
will they see? When I come up from here to here, jump from here to here, make it from
But
here
it started from somewhere. And the same somewhere where it start from now, from here.
Well, when I want change, go. Anyway, my brother, if that, Chukwudi, if that one now correct information, now better thing.
Very good information. He did clear. Friday, March 13th.
Did they hear me? Chukwudi. Chukwudi, they hear?
I dey hear you. I dey hear you.
If the man, they come out from Atiku, they come out, go back, now correct arrangement. Waiting on the shout, change. Somebody, they transform the country. We change go where? Somebody, they do something. I know they see. The man don't see. That's why he won't come out, go back. Make una they sit down there, they look.
How many times you want switch?
The transformation come.
We don't see series of switch. This is more like the 5th or the 6th time where they switch.
No be una.
Make it stay one place. Make we not say it stay one place.
No be una place in there. Why una dey
If
vex
not
now?
because of personal interest, you know they switch like that. If not changing one true.
Nkubi, make I ask you a question. Nkubi, make
yes.
I ask you a question.
Yeah, they hear
Even your guy pata, you know the waka. Your guy waka, how many parties they waka they enter?
I don't understand
Now,
you.
You know who in the talk of now? AMPP, CPC, and APC.
Now only one party don't switch over from. Well, he started with AMPP. Okay, fine. He contested under the platform of AMPP twice. Okay, because say, okay, now I try CPC.
Oh, make it try.
Wait, CPC, try CPC.
Trial and error.
Eventually, what's going to happen?
Trial and error.
CPC, AMPP, and ACN as a day come together, come form APC. Come there formidable, strong. So now be the thing. It never passed through.
Whether they together or not, now movement. Party don't change. Now don't let you walk up and down. What I want to tell you. Hello?
Would they hear you, Oga Solomon?
What I want to tell you, be say, make Atiku go where they happen. He don't see eye. Light, therefore, he don't see light.
Okay,
Oga Solomon,
thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Nkubi, you don't hear him now. We go take Asmao. Asmao, they call us from Kaduna.
Good morning, Asmao.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
Good morning. I beg Chukmat for this matter.
Oga 2 days.
Would they hear, right on.
How una dey?
Would they fine?
2 days. Oga Chukwudi.
I dey hear you.
This one where you dey raise your mouth, the open mouth, where go reach your ears, uncle.
Help me tell him,
my friend, oh.
Help me tell him.
We still stand for our stand. That change must come.
It must.
That one, a transformation where Atiku is not going anywhere. I'm telling you, my friend.
Yes. Thank you for giving me that
Una hold on by force.
Thank you for giving me that belief saying they go anywhere.
Don't be not the president. Go meet the Atiku for house. Not be meet him. You know call him now. Now you go meet him.
As he go meet him and in supporters, 2 pillars for Southwest. Don't talk say now.
Leave that thing alone. Leave that thing alone. Madam Asmao, thank you very much. In fact. In fact, there's no point.
Madam Asmao,
we still believe in that word change.
We not be deny waiting they clear. We go take Mama Ramama, they call us from Kaduna.
Bless you, we don't lose that.
Okay, we don't lose that call. Our people went there for house. I know say they always they talk and say Nigeria and our country, no be anybody personal estate. And all of us must ensure, say, we put our hand together to see, say, we carry this our country, go forward. Remember, say, what we talk, we say, one PVC, he heavy pass 1 bag of rice. So make sure, say, you go collect your own, because now still 22nd in the end. If you never collect, if you don't collect your own, save them, no give them to anybody. And come March 28th, make you go out, go make the right thing. Me and Nkubi there here, they chook mouth on top of this matter. We dey talk am as e dey hot, but we no dey quarrel. We still be brothers because all of us na the same country na we come from.
Yes, our viewers, and as I go always dey talk, now peace we dey pledge. Okay, we get like barely 10 days to the election, and if na never collect na PVC, una still get that opportunity to do it to go collect am. And on the day of the election, may na do it, may na go vote, go na house, go dey do it, understudy wetin dey happen. Me I not say I want to sit down back. They say yes, I must stay back. No, election make it go free and fair, and in the end, make we know say we get somebody we want to do it who want lead us. Thank you very much. From me, I will say I want to carry on the Ogbonge matter coming away again tomorrow. From me, Nkubi. Una bye bye.
Now bye bye on top of us.